Does water temperature affect the amount of time it takes for vitamins to dissolve? Our objective and goal in this experiment is to determine whether or not the temperature of water shows a difference in how fast vitamins dissolve in water. We use three temperatures of boiling water: boiling water, room temperature water, and ice cold water. After testing out the vitamins in water, we will then record the time. Our prediction on the project is that the different temperature of water will change the amount of time it takes for the vitamins to dissolve. We believe that the hot water will most likely speed up the time it takes to dissolve them. Why does water make vitamins dissolve? When vitamin C vitamins or solids in general are placed in water, the negative end of the water molecules and the positive ends of the vitamin C molecules meet and separate, making the process of dissolving. The materials for this project are boiling water, room temperature water, and cold water, vitamin capsules, cups, and a timer. The procedures for the project are placing 3 cups in their place, pouring different temperature water into each cup, and recording the time. After we did the project, we realized that both the room temperature water and hot water had similar time rates, while the cold water took longer than expected, 2 minutes. Overall, the experiment ended as expected. While doing the experiment, we noticed that a lot of characteristics, the vitamins in the cold water did not get as much as a reaction. While in the hot water, the vitamin bubbled up very fast. The vitamin struck instantly after being added to the hot water. The characteristics of the room temperature water was very similar to the hot water, as both vitamins dissolved in the water very fast. While waiting for the vitamin to dissolve in the hot water, we noticed that there was actually some smoke, which we found interesting. Overall, the project was pretty expected, but we expected there would be more of a difference between the vitamin in the hot water and the vitamin in the room temperature water. After doing the project, we discovered that our hypothesis was correct. The hot boiling water made the vitamin dissolve faster compared to the room temperature water and the cold water. The room temperature water was slightly a little slower compared to the hot water. The cold water took way longer than the other two vitamins in the 2 cups. The vitamins in the hot water only took a minute and 18 seconds, while the room temperature water took a minute and 36 seconds. As expected, the cold water took way longer to a time of 3 minutes and 27 seconds.